Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication on WordPress. So if you haven't liked this video and haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. Let's get started. So alright, as you can see, we are inside the WordPress dashboard. To set up two-factor authentication on your WordPress website, we'll be using Google Authenticator. So you'll be installing a plugin here. So to install that plugin, just hover over to plugins and select add new plugins, and from the search bar here you will search for two-factor verification and just wait for the plugins to load. And from this from all these plugins you'll select this MiniOrange Google Authenticator. Just click on install now. And once this is installed, do not forget to activate the plugin. Let me quickly activate the plugin, and once this plugin is activated, this will take you to the setup menu. Click on get started, and here you'll have an option here to select whether user should set up if that is two-factor authentication after first login, or user will set up this one after. You can just skip this setup, and now from here you will click on this enable two-factor authentication, and this is only for the administrator, and save settings. And then you can enable backup logins method if you want. And the most important thing to set up here is go to your account and to create a password here. I'll create a password. Enter some password. Oops. So enter all the fields. Also F5. I'll enter password. These are all the fields. Okay. Asking me for an email. I'll enter tipswithalam.com and create account. So once your account is created, you will have a complete access over this application or the plugin. Okay, so this is the API key and this is the token. Now we have this authentication here. Now in the setup wizard, if you go to setup, you'll continue this. User should set up after first login. User will set up in plugin dashboard. Okay, I'll continue this. Continue. Congratulations. Go to advanced settings, and here you have an option to set up this over an SMS or a Google Authenticator app. I'll click on configure, and now you'll have to choose this download this Google Authenticator on your mobile application and scan this code. So let me download this. I'll record the screen for you guys. Google Authenticator. This is the app. Kindly install this. And once this is installed, we'll be scanning this QR code so that we can enter this OTP and authorize this. Our Google Authenticator is ready. Use with a different account. Add a code, scan using QR code, allow, and there you go. We have this OTP here. And click on verify. Your Google Authenticator is successfully set up. Now let's test this. Five, 3, 1, 6. Click on validate, and you have successfully validated your two-step authenticator using Google Authenticator. You have all these other options, which are, some of them are paid, like this one, receiving the OTP over WhatsApp. You can explore that option. So let me log out and see how it works now. I'll try to log in. Now every time you try to log in, it will ask you to enter the code. I'll enter the code 7, and there you go. That's how you can add an extra layer of security to your WordPress website by setting up two-factor authentication. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.